Common sense is our mind's blueprint for navigating reality. It's the set of basic assumptions learned from a young age that tell us how the world works. These assumptions aren't always conscious, but they color how we see everything. We rely on common sense to make quick judgments and predictions. Think of it like learning a language. We absorb the basic rules of grammar and syntax without realizing it. These rules then shape how we understand and form sentences. Similarly, common sense provides the framework for interpreting our experiences. It's the lens through which we make sense of the world around us. Imagine you see a ball rolling towards a curb. You instantly know it will roll off. This is common sense in action. You don't need complex physics equations to predict the outcome. Your brain relies on its pre-existing understanding of gravity and momentum. Our social interactions are also guided by common sense. We know to say please and thank you. We understand the importance of personal space. These unwritten rules, learned through observation and experience, ensure smooth social interactions. However, common sense isn't always accurate. Sometimes it leads to biases and stereotypes. For example, assuming someone's profession based on their gender is a common sense assumption, but it can be wrong and limiting. The problem with common sense is that it can be too simplistic. The world is complex, and relying solely on intuitive understanding can be misleading. What seems obvious isn't always true. Take, for instance, the idea that the Earth is flat. This was once considered common sense based on how the world appears to our eyes. However, scientific observation and critical thinking revealed a different reality. Blindly trusting common sense can hinder progress and limit our understanding. It's essential to question our assumptions, seek evidence, and be open to alternative perspectives. While common sense has its flaws, it's not inherently bad. It provides a starting point for understanding. The key is to refine and update our common sense throughout life. Our experiences, education, and cultural exposure all shape our common sense. As we encounter new situations and information, we adjust our understanding of the world. This continuous learning process is crucial for developing a more accurate and nuanced view of reality. Ultimately, a healthy dose of skepticism, combined with a willingness to learn and adapt, is essential for ensuring our common sense remains a reliable guide in a complex world.